6 nutritional picks to naturally beat stress and fatigue. Are you feeling the weight of today's fast-paced world? We get it. Everywhere we look, folks are grappling with stress and battling fatigue. It's a common challenge. But what if we told you that the food on your plate could be a powerful ally in this fight? Welcome to our deep dive into the incredible world of nutrition and its undeniable impact on our mood, energy, and overall well-being. We're here to guide you through the top 6 nutritional picks that could be your secret weapons against stress and fatigue. By the end of this journey, you'll be equipped with knowledge that not only elevates your meal game, but also lifts your spirits and boosts your energy. Dive in with us and discover how you can naturally tackle stress one bite at a time. The science behind nutrition and stress and fatigue. So now that we're all on board about the importance of nutrition, let's delve into the science of it all. Ever wondered how certain foods can pep you up while others seem to drain you out? The magic lies in the nutrients and how they interact with our brain and metabolism. Specific nutrients play starring roles in boosting our brain function and revving up our energy metabolism. When we're nourished right, it's like giving our body and mind the optimal fuel they crave. But on the flip side, there's a dark cloud called nutrient deficiencies, and trust us, they're more common than you might think. Falling short on vital nutrients can directly impact our mood, leaving us feeling like we're trudging through a never-ending slump. It's not just about eating, but eating right. So as we journey through our top nutritional picks, remember it's all about balance and ensuring our bodies get the nourishment they so richly deserve. Number 6, omega-3 fatty acids, the brain's best friend. Starting our countdown at number 6, we're diving deep, literally, into the ocean of nutrition with omega-3 fatty acids. If you've ever heard whispers about certain foods being brain food, well, you're about to know why. 5 benefits await those who incorporate omega-3s into their diet. These mighty nutrients, richly found in fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, hold the key to several health treasures. But don't fret if you're not big on fish. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and even walnuts are packed with these golden nutrients. 4 times stronger. That's how we can describe its impact on brain health. Omega-3s play a crucial role in protecting our neurons and improving cognitive functions. Think of them as the guardians of our brain, always on the lookout. 3, 2, 1, and there's the inflammation gone. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s are well documented. By fighting off inflammation, these fatty acids ensure our body runs smoothly and we're not bogged down by unnecessary discomfort. At the very core, studies have highlighted a profound link between omega-3 intake and a reduction in symptoms of depression and anxiety. When we ensure a steady intake of these fatty acids, we're not just nourishing our body, we're safeguarding our mental well-being. In essence, while omega-3s might sound all sciencey and technical, all they're asking is for a little space on your plate. Give them that, and they promise a world of health in return. So, the next time you're drafting a grocery list, why not add some omega-3 rich foods to the mix? Number 5, magnesium, the silent powerhouse. Rolling into our next superstar at number 5, let's shine the spotlight on magnesium. A mineral that often flies under the radar but holds colossal importance. Dive into the green sea of leafy vegetables or the crunchy realm of nuts and seeds, and you're bound to encounter magnesium. It's also generously present in whole grains and legumes. So, if you're someone who loves a hearty bowl of lentils or a crunchy almond snack, rejoice. You're already on the right path. Now, what makes magnesium stand out in the world of nutrition? 4 key reasons. Firstly, it's a powerhouse when it comes to energy production. Every move we make, every step we take, magnesium is right there, ensuring our cells are fueled and ready to go. Next, at 3, it plays a pivotal role in supporting our muscle and nerve functions. Ever had those pesky muscle cramps? A steady magnesium intake can help keep those at bay. Dropping down to 2, it's an unsung hero in the relaxation department. From easing muscle tension to preparing our body for a good night's sleep, magnesium is the soothing lullaby our system often craves. Wrapping up our magnesium love affair, remember that while it might not always make headlines, its role in our well-being is undeniably vast. Making a conscious effort to include magnesium-rich foods in our diet can truly make a world of difference, both in energy and tranquility. Number 4, vitamin B complex, the energy dynamo. Cruising into our penultimate pick at number 4, we're shining light on a group of vitamins that truly deserve a standing ovation: the vitamin B complex. This isn't just one hero, it's a league of vitamins working harmoniously. Where can we find them? Everywhere, from the wholesome grains we eat, the beans and lentils we cherish, to the meat, eggs, and dairy products many of us consume. Now, why does the vitamin B complex deserve such high praise? Here's the twofold scoop. Firstly, these vitamins are absolute dynamos when it comes to energy. They play a crucial role in not just energy production, but also converting the food we eat into that much-needed zest. Ever felt that after lunch slump, a balanced intake of vitamin B complex might just be the lift you need? Sliding to our main highlight at 1, beyond energy, this complex is pivotal in supporting our brain function and ensuring our nerves are in their prime. It's like the backstage crew in a theater, ensuring the show runs without a hitch. While they might not always be in the limelight, their role is undeniably critical. With our final nutritional pick approaching, brace yourselves for another powerful nutrient that's been making waves in the health community. Get ready to be enlightened. Number 3, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. As we cruise down to number 3 on our list, we're basking in the radiant glow of vitamin D. Often fondly referred to as the sunshine vitamin, it's not just about the sun's embrace, but also the foods we consume. From the depths of the oceans with fatty fish to our everyday egg yolks and even fortified foods, vitamin D makes its presence felt in various corners of our diet. However, why is this vitamin such a big deal? Let's count down from 3. Firstly, it's a mood enhancer. Many studies have shown a correlation between vitamin D levels and mood regulation, even going as far as fighting symptoms of depression. At 2, we have its remarkable ability to bolster our immune function, especially in times when our health is of paramount importance. Ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin D can be a game changer in strengthening our body's defenses. Lastly, while we often rely on dietary sources, don't forget that good old sunlight exposure. Taking a short walk outside can be a double win for both our mental well-being and that crucial vitamin D boost. Remember, while the sun may set, ensuring our vitamin D levels remain optimal is a journey we should commit to day after day. Bonus tip. Wait up, before we venture further, here's a golden nugget for all of you. While we're on the topic of vitamin D, remember that pairing it with vitamin K can enhance its benefits. Vitamin K, often found in green leafy vegetables, ensures that the calcium vitamin D helps absorb is directed to our bones. So the next time you're soaking up some sun or indulging in fatty fish, perhaps pair it with a leafy green salad on the side. Synergy in nutrition is a beautiful thing. And as for what's up next, we've got 2 incredible nutritional champions waiting in the wings. Both are fantastic for boosting energy, mood, and overall health. Any guesses? Stay tuned and get ready to be amazed. Number 2, ashwagandha, nature's stress buster. As we unravel the next gem in our nutritional treasure trove at number 3, we're diving into the ancient world of adaptogens. Enter ashwagandha, a time-tested herb often embraced in its supplement or powdered form. It's not just a tongue twister, it's a potent remedy that has graced traditional medicine for centuries. So what's the magic behind this curious finding herb? 2 reasons have captured our attention and should capture yours too. Firstly, as an adaptogen, ashwagandha's claim to fame is its stellar ability to help the body adapt to stress. Think of it as an internal armor, shielding us from the daily chaos and challenges. And diving deeper to number 1, this wonder herb actively works to reduce cortisol levels, our body's primary stress hormone. Lowering cortisol not only grants us calm, but also averts potential health concerns linked to chronic stress. Eager to fortify against stress naturally? Perhaps it's time to consider introducing ashwagandha into your wellness routine. And as we journey ahead, our next nutritional hero is an essential one, playing a crucial role in keeping fatigue at bay, so stay with us. Number 1, iron, the unsung hero of energy. As we approach the grand finale of our nutritional journey, taking the spotlight at number 1 is none other than iron. Often associated with the strength of metal, this vital nutrient can be discovered in an array of foods we might already love. From the juicy realms of red meat, poultry, and fish to the hearty embrace of lentils, beans, and even those morning-fortified cereals, iron is omnipresent, waiting to fuel us. Now diving into the 2-pronged essence of iron, firstly, it's a dynamo when it comes to energy production. Iron assists in transporting oxygen to our muscles and tissues, ensuring we're firing on all cylinders. It's the silent game engine working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep us charged and ready to seize the day. But there's another facet to this mineral that's equally vital. Slipping to our key highlight, iron plays a paramount role in preventing anemia, a condition that, if ignored, can lead to fatigue, making even the simplest tasks feel mountainous. So by maintaining optimal iron levels, we're not just boosting our energy, but warding off potential energy drainers. With a curtain drawn back on our top picks, we hope this journey has been enlightening. And remember, while knowledge is power, applying this knowledge is the real game changer. We hope you found value into these nutritional wonders. Now, it's over to you guys. Do you have your own experiences or unique tips related to these nutrients? Dive into the comments below and let's get a conversation flowing. Your insights could be the guiding light for someone else on their wellness journey. And before you go, if today's video struck a chord, we've got another treat lined up for you. Ever wondered about those puffy eyes and how to combat them? Check out our video, This is Why You Have Puffy Eyes. Steps to get rid of them. It's a deep dive that promises solutions. Also, if you're keen on diving deeper and exploring products that complement today's talk, be sure to check the links in the description. Lastly, if you found this enlightening, do us a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. Let's spread the knowledge together.